Hey guys, Mike here from Urban English, and did you miss me? I've been gone for a long time. Well, don't worry, I'm back. In fact, here's an expression for you. I'm getting back in the driver's seat. Yeah, I'm getting back in the driver's seat. Or another way to say that is, I'm getting back on the horse. If you're getting back in the driver's seat or back on the horse, it means that you're starting the same project again, right? You're starting something that you were working on in the past, but you stopped, and now you're going to get going again. You're getting in the driver's seat or getting back on the horse. Guys, I hope you enjoy this expression. Remember, if you have any expressions that you want me to cover, just let me know. In the comments below, say, hey Mike, can you do this expression? Also, make sure to hit subscribe. I don't know if it's there or there, whichever side it is, hit it and share this with your friends. I want to get out to as many people as possible and help everyone with their English. So share. And as always, have a great day. Cheers.